Moving right along to part 3, digital gates. This is where data and access become geopolitics.
Unique, completely unbuyable data is the next major choke point. Look at Ukraine's Avengers Labs. They are taking millions of annotated frames of real combat footage, something absolutely no one outside the war zone can collect, and turning it into a licensed resource. But the condition is the lever here. Companies can train on it, sure, but Ukraine keeps the improved model. It's literally data as a sovereign asset. Over on the corporate side, Perplexity's search as code is making a similar bet. They are building massive moats with proprietary, well-labeled data that nobody else can see. They're anticipating that the AI models themselves will eventually commoditize, but that unique data? That absolutely will not.
The fourth choke point is model access itself. And this is where a theoretical kill switch was actually pulled. On June 12, 2026, a U.S. export control directive forced Anthropic to disable its newest models, Fable 5 and Mythos 5, for every single customer on the planet overnight, citing national security. Imagine that. Long-standing allies who had been using this exact technology for their own cyber defense suddenly lost access without a moment's warning. The crucial takeaway here is perfectly summed up by a Deutsche Bank economist right after that shutdown. They said, "You can't rely on something that could be switched off." It hits the nail on the head. You simply cannot build critical infrastructure on a foundation that can vanish in an instant. Access is entirely revocable, whether that's by governments enforcing export controls or by the AI providers themselves deciding to alter terms, hike up pricing, or implement geofencing.